If you want to change the DPI settings on OnePlus 15R, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. So the first method is to go to Settings, choose Display and Brightness, and then in here, if you scroll down, we have Display Size. You can choose between Small, Standard, and Large. If you choose Standard or Large, you can also see this notification about enabling the Simple mode, which makes everything even bigger. So if you want that, of course, you can turn it on. Besides that, you can also manually adjust the DPI by using developer options. So in order to do so, first of course we need to activate developer options. So we're gonna go to About Device in Settings. Then in here, choose the version, and you want to keep tapping on the version number until you need to enter the screen lock password. And after that, at the bottom, you will see that you are now in developer mode. So we're gonna go back to Settings, and then go to System and Update. Open developer options, and then in here we need to scroll down until we find the smallest width option over here, which will be in the drawing section. Now the smaller the number we provide in here, the bigger the UI will be. So I believe the limit is actually 320. We can try to type even lower, but it's gonna be adjusted. Yeah, there we go. So 320, and as you can see, everything is much bigger. And if we provide bigger number, then everything will be much smaller. So we can make everything extra small if you want to. However, you want to be careful with these numbers, because if you provide too high number, you might mess something up and it might be difficult to actually revert those changes. So you need to keep that in mind. And that is pretty much it. Now the standard value, I believe, is 360 dp. Leave a like and subscribe.